This is the HD11. It's a beautiful edge-to-edge 1.9-inch screen smartwatch with lots of capabilities, including Bluetooth calling and a huge loud speaker on this one. You got all kinds of settings and controls, messages pushed from your phone when you're tethered. You come over here, you got your step count, distance traveled, calories burned, heart rate is computed, last night's sleep time. All the activities, including swimming, are on this card, and these are rearrangeable, by the way. Weather in your area, an onboard music player that will play the music from your phone through the watch. It's very cool. And you can add other screens if you'd like to as well. This way, you have the time and date and information, your temperature, the last 4 clickable icons on here that you can add as well. You have, when you press here, your app drawer, which is very sophisticated, all kinds of ways you can display this data. Dial, contact, and call records have to do with Bluetooth calling, of course. You have a built-in voice assistant, so you can ask Siri if you're on an iPhone or Google if you're on that platform. Android, anything you want. Your overall data, workouts are here. It has ECG, but it's not really functioning, so all it'll give you is heart rate, basically. Blood pressure, blood oxygen are in it. You got weather in your area. The female will actually tell you where you are in your cycle, and you, of course, have more detail, and you set it all up in the Tethering app. Breath training is in it. You got a stopwatch, countdown timers, alarm clocks. You even got a couple of interesting games. I can't play either of them. I need a 5-year-old to teach me how to use a watch. Oh! Anyway, they're in here. You can set up passwords. You have NFC, but it's pretty much restricted to China. However, you can set these collection codes up and business cards for all of these particular apps as well. You can actually set the time if you don't want to tether to your phone. You've got an onboard calculator. I mean, it's a great watch. It's really, really thin. You can change the watch face simply by turning the dial. You have a nice magnetically coupled clasp. It's a very thin watch. It is very lightweight, and it works really, really well. Inexpensive, too. It's the HD11. Check it out.